You say the bigger it is, the more power you have. Well, that's not the case in this case, because here we have laptop memory, and this is actually faster than this at the moment. So we're going to upgrade our desktop with laptop memory. That's correct, laptop memory. We're going to convert this 8 gigs and convert into 16 gigs with a faster hertz. Now it's going to be defaulted to the hertz on the actual RAM stick. So that's one thing that we want to do. We're going to set this up and see how this thing runs and see if it can handle our games. All right, the way it works, you set your memory up, line it up, right? Make sure that the actual copper is not showing up and push it back. Snaps in place. We got one. Snap two. Now, the magic. See if it works. Push the button. Pushing the button. And right now, currently, we have our 40. Can we play Battlefield? Yes, we can.